Today, guys, we are working on something awesome. Check it out. Boom. Our friends from K Speaker are sponsoring today's video, and they sent us a speaker to mount on the side-by-side. So let's get rolling. Let's get the box opened up. Let's get it on there and see what it sounds like. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. First thing I'd like to say is their packaging is actually on point. Like, this looks absolutely insane. And for this to be an Amazon speaker, I'm actually super excited to see how this is gonna sound. So let's keep it going. All right, first things first, when you open it up, check this out right here. Quick start guide, K Speaker K66. These dudes look like they're having a blast. So it has a whole outline of what's in the box here. The speaker has all the stuff to mount it. Power cord, interface, USB, AUX-IN, wiring. Look at that, you can wire it straight to your battery. Has the controls on here. It has a little remote. That's awesome. So you can just hands-free while you're driving. You don't have to turn around and touch it. This is a sweet little install guide, and check this out. So let's keep rolling with it. Would you guys look at this? The quality on this thing is next level, and the packaging that it came in is insane. I'm super stoked though, because this thing right here has a ton of lights all built in here. I mean, it's got bass, it's got little subs right here on the side, you can see. Look at that, you can push them in. Like, this thing is supposed to sound phenomenal. So let's go ahead and work on getting everything else open, and let's get the side-by-side prepped to get it on the roll bar. So what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna mount it right here on this roll bar, right behind your heads. My roof, I'm gonna have to take that off so I can slide everything on here, but let's get that prepped, and let's get the rest of this open too. I want you guys to see everything that this comes with as well. It's got some roll bar mounts right here. It came with 2 different remotes for it. That's awesome. I mean, it's got mounts galore. It comes with everything you need to mount this onto whatever it is you're mounting. And then obviously to run straight to the battery, here you go. I mean, you name it, you've got it. All right, super easy. I'm looking at the install guide here. It literally has it in the book. It has pictures. It comes with all these parts to install to the speaker. Then it comes with everything you need to do to install over the roll bar, clamp down, and then right here it shows you need to clamp it. It looks like these are also something to help keep it together. And then we just need to go ahead and wire everything up and plug it in. So I'm gonna do this part real fast, and we'll be right back. All right, just so you guys can see as well, this thing comes with every single tool you need to install. You don't need anything extra out of your toolbox. It comes with this handy little pack right here, and it comes with all of the screws and everything you need to get everything installed. So rest assured, you could do this in a field if you needed to. All right, so I didn't take it off, but I went ahead and I got the roof loosened up so we have a gap up here so we can put the mounts on it super easy. Hopefully it's that simple, but let's go see. All right, real quick, we have this thing mocked up already. I don't have it all set in stone, but that thing is massive. I can't wait to see how that thing sounds. I'm kind of nervous it's gonna blast our ears out because it's gonna be so close to our heads. All right, guys, we are back. It is the next day, and let me tell you, did I have a night. I basically had like a full-on dad crash out moment trying to install this, so I did not film any of it. It should have not have been as difficult as it was. I made it way more difficult than it needed to be, but we got it done. It is installed. It is on there. You can see there. See those little black clamps in there? Those were just the biggest pain in the ass to get in there. I have no idea why.
I don't know what the deal was with it, but I could not figure it out. What should take 30 seconds took me 3 hours last night. So let me just say the install for me was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I will say the speaker quality is absolutely phenomenal. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do a little test for you guys. I'm gonna play some music on it so you can hear it, and then I'm also gonna start the Razor and play music while the Razor is running so you guys can also hear that it does overpower the actual sound that the machine makes.
All right, so check it out. Here you go. Here's a view of it. It actually looks really good. Like I showed you in the beginning of the video, it's got some good bass, surprisingly. So what I will say is the quality of this speaker is way better than you would actually think it is. So let's grab the remote here. Check this out. This is cool. Boom. There it is right there. But overall, look at this thing. The colors are awesome. I mean, you guys just wait. Wait till you hear this.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, snap, I forgot the remote, it's right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some music for you guys. I'm gonna play a song that I can actually play on YouTube without being demonetized, but just listen to how good the quality of this speaker is. And you can also mess with the lighting. All sorts of different settings just by pushing this. Obviously it has buttons up here as well, so you don't need that. As you guys could hear, that sounded so phenomenal, and that's actually stupid loud. I know I didn't get far away from it, but let me tell you, like, I could go stand across the street and hear that without any problems. So let's go ahead, let's turn the Razor on, and let's also play music to see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna turn the Razor on first, and then I'll start playing music so you guys can hear. It's probably really hard to hear right now, but it is running. We're gonna turn the music on now. Well, there you guys have it, the K speaker, possibly the best, most affordable UTV speaker that money can buy. I highly recommend this. I highly recommend you getting one. Even if you're just chilling, hanging out with your friends, and you just want to listen to music in your garage, this thing absolutely bumps. So go ahead, pick yourself up one. I'll drop a link down below where you guys can get yours. Don't forget to use the code ShawneeBoy. That's ShawneeBoy. Don't forget to use it. 20 bucks off. Go pick up one of these speakers, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.